How to find the right size Christmas tree storage bag. First, measure your tree while it is fully assembled, or you can refer to your box for exact dimensions. Now disassemble the tree. To get the most accurate measurements, ensure each section of your tree is fully collapsed and compressed. Take the measurement of the longest portion of your tree. This will typically be the base. It is important that the longest section is shorter than the width of your storage bag to ensure an easy fit. Stack the tree sections in a staggered pattern, starting with the base. Each section's base should face opposite to the one below it. The depth should not be substantially larger than the depth of the box. Stacking orientation and branch fullness can be adjusted. Measure the height from the floor to the top of the stacked pieces. The height should also not be significantly taller. Once you have the right storage bag for your tree, place the sections inside, where it will be securely zipped and easily transported away till the next holiday season.